Seesaw tutorial, logging in on a tablet or phone. First, select I'm a student. Second, select the blue button at the bottom, Google Email Sign-In. Third, select the white button at the top, Sign in with Google. Fourth, a box will pop up asking you if you want to confirm signing in with Google. Click Continue. Fifth, on this screen you will be prompted to enter in your email, or if you are already signed into Google, you will select Use Another Account. Sixth, this is where you will enter your child's email address. Please be sure that there is a dot between their first name and their last name, and after the @ it should read student.nhcs.net. Seventh, now you will enter your password. This is your child's user ID number. 10th, you will be redirected back to Seesaw, and you should be successfully entered into the Seesaw classroom. Lastly, click your child's name in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Below, you will see all of the classes your child is enrolled in. If you have not yet joined Library and Guidance, select Join Class and type in the codes that were sent home. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. If you need additional assistance, please email your child's teacher.